Here we have a 2012 Nissan Rogue. We are doing spark plugs, but mostly we are focusing on is the coil. One of these coils is bad, don't know which one. So technically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off each one of these things after I replace the spark plugs to make sure it's not the plugs. And I'm going to find out which one is the one that's running bad, because it shouldn't run worse if I take off the one that's not working. So we're going to go ahead and remove these bolts here to get these plugs off, and then we're just going to push these in to get these off. So let's get started. Alright, so we have all the spark plugs removed. See down there? You always want to make sure you scrape off, spray off any debris or anything that's right there before you get down in your plugs, because you don't want anything to fall in. So we're going to go ahead, put the new plugs in, and we're going to go ahead and test it once we get the new plugs in to see what exactly is going wrong with the coil or whatever, because it is misfiring. When you start the car, it's going ba 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 out the tailpipe, so it lets you know there's some issue going on. So we're hoping this will fix it. So I went ahead and I unplugged each one of these to see how the car would run, and when I unplugged this one here, this one, the car changed nothing. It still had a light sputter to it. So I put the new coil on this one, and then I put this back on, and it works fine. My problem was I'm retarded. I didn't put this vacuum system back on, so the car kept sputtering and shutting off, and I thought I did something wrong. Just make sure you put this part back on when you test it. That way you know it works. And with that, if you guys like this video, go ahead, subscribe, like the video. I'm always posting things on different vehicles, so follow me and check it out. Thank you guys.